.458 engine, Ferrari 458 engine, 2 turbos, more Mustangs, 2 Mustangs for the engine, 2 Mustangs again on the car, all together makes something cool. It's early morning. The paint doesn't want to stick, so I'm having a problem there. I kept the tires. I'm not going to change the tires. What I have done is I've just done this. If you can see, it's early morning, so I'll just get a nice clips of it. I put that because it kept coming out. I put the e-brake, shifter, and here more details. 2 pipes coming from the turbos, this pipe and the second pipe of that side. I've linked the gas tank to the UI system and to the engine, as you can see, from the one turbo to the radiator, the other turbo to the radiator. I'm gonna paint, yeah, I'm definitely gonna paint the pipes different colors. So Ferrari 458 in a Lamborghini, although it's a miniature version, it still can be done. I mean, anybody out there, they can probably do that. The styling from the back is actually reminding me of the Countach, the older version Countach. Although it's just a Lamborghini plastic, it's actually, oh, I just gotta fix that there. It actually is pretty cool. I'm having a problem with the paint. I'm just gonna have to redo the paint, and once I finish the engine part, then I know it's sorted. My 2 turbos, I don't know what I was thinking. I mean, I did another previous project, redesigned it, and this is redesigned too, a bit better. So next time I must think about doing projects too fast.